Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I am unboxing the 49 and Market mystery box. So I purchased this recently and I'm pretty excited about what's inside. So let me open it up and give you a look. If you're interested in purchasing a mystery box, I will leave a shopping link listed down below, and I always appreciate when you shop my links as I do earn a small commission at no extra charge to you. So the first thing I noticed right off the bat were these gorgeous flowers. So we've got some in this pretty mint green, and we've got this beautiful bright blue. I've got this cream colored flowers, and then there's also this really pretty peach. So I love these. I think these are nice and I use those. Now these I think are for like rubber bands to keep your journals closed, which I plan on starting an art journal soon. So I'm excited about that. I got these, this chipboard ephemera set here from the Kaleidoscope collection, and I love the bright colors. I think this is a really good find in my box, and I noticed there's several from that same collection. I got these envelopes here, so I think it's called Blossom, and they're cute little tiny envelopes. I can see maybe using this around Valentine's Day, so I like this and I think I'll use that. I got the Toddler Time ephemera bits, and I don't know, I wasn't crazy about this collection, but I know that there's bits and pieces in here that I can use, so I think it's still a good product for my box because there's a little kitty cat in here, I know, and I know I'll use that. Now this I'm really excited about. This is the charcoal ephemera pieces, so I will definitely use these. I love bringing in that little hint of black or gray that goes with anything. Here is another portion of the Kaleidoscope. This is the ephemera bits. And so that's good that I have several pieces in the same collection, and the brighter the better for me. I think this is right up my alley in that color tone. Then I got these, and these are the swooshy alphabet rub-on transfers. I've seen one of my friends use these, and this is their alphabet rub-ons, and there's 36 sheets in here, and it has the letters, the numbers, extras and things. So I have been wanting these and I hadn't purchased them yet, so I will definitely use these. So I can't wait to try that on either a layout or my art journal soon. I got some washi tape, and I am the worst at opening up these boxes. Every time I open these, it looks like a child opened it. Let me see if I can get this opened a little easier. And no, it looks like I'm going to tear the box. But this is really cool. This is, it says Everywhere washi tape. And I think I have the Everywhere collection, bits and pieces of it. I think I purchased that a while back. So that's good. I like using washi tape. Then I got some tickets. Now, when you get these last forever. I mean, this is a lifetime supply of pink tickets, which I love pink. So if I were to get tickets, it couldn't have been a better color. And then this is gorgeous. This is salsa lace washi tape. There's 3 rolls in here, and I think this is going to be beautiful for Valentine's. I could still maybe even sneak this in on some Christmas projects too. I got the Kaleidoscope 6x8 collection. Now, I do think I already own this, but I think it's pretty, and I've been using it, so I will definitely continue to use that. Here's some more rub-ons, and this is in that sage color, which I like because this is like, you know, a nature color, so I feel like I'll use this as well. I've been using more rub-ons recently. I got the Toddler Time rub-on transfers, and I like these. I think there's definitely items in here that I'll use as well. Definitely love all the leaves and the flowers. I can always use those. Oh, I see kitty cats, so I'll definitely use that. And then here are some more rub-ons, and this is in the teal, which that's really, really pretty. And then I got, ooh, this is charcoal laser cut elements. So these are like black and white. I love this. I could even color these up with inks or with paints if I wanted to add more color, so I like that. And then I got this whole kit. This is a page kit. This is the Kaleidoscope page kit. And I've used these page kits before. They're fun. And you can put all of these together, but I know there's way more pieces that are included that, you know, way more than just those 4 pages. Then I just got some loose sheets in here. So I'll just flip through some of these. I think this was Cottagecore. Here's one from Birdsong. Ooh, these are really pretty. And let's see, here's a pretty teal one. I like how it looks like it has texture, but it doesn't. So that's nice. Here's a couple this is from that Toddler Time collection. And I could even, if I'm not a fan of the toddlers, I can always cover those up. Or I could scrapbook some vintage photos of my boys. They're all grown up now, but ooh, I can see maybe cutting a Christmas tree, like a cut file out of that green piece. That was pretty. Here's a Toddler Time. And I like the back. So the backs are very usable on these, like the B side. Ooh, this is neat. I like this. And we've got another like teal colored one here. And then the entire Evergreen Season collection, which I own this collection, but I'm down to my last few sheets, so I can restock that. Always great for Christmas cards and things. And then I got some rub-ons, these huge rub-ons, and these are absolutely gorgeous. So overall, I am super happy with this mystery box, and I'm glad I purchased it. I think it's very great value for the dollars spent. And yeah, so if you've enjoyed this unboxing, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back and leave me a comment. Have you purchased any mystery boxes recently? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!